Hello there, absolutely incredible English champions. Welcome to English Mastery Podcast for the most special episode yet, Day 5, our grand finale. I'm Vey, and I have the amazing James here with me, and honestly, I'm feeling so many emotions right now. James, can you believe we're actually here? Day 5. How are you feeling about everyone who made it this far?
Oh, Vey, I'm literally getting chills right now. You know what this represents? This isn't just day 5 of a challenge. This is proof that every single person listening has something extraordinary inside them. They have the power to commit, to persist, to show up even when it's difficult. I keep thinking about all the people who started this journey maybe feeling nervous or uncertain, and look at them now. They're here, they've practiced, they've grown, and they've basically proven to themselves that they can achieve anything they set their minds to. This is so much bigger than just English practice.
James, you're absolutely right, and I'm getting emotional just thinking about it. Beautiful learners, let me ask you something personal. How are you feeling right now? Are you proud? Maybe a little emotional? Because you absolutely should be. You didn't just show up once or twice, you showed up 5 times. You spoke when it felt scary, you practiced when it felt difficult, and most importantly, you didn't give up when your brain tried to convince you to quit. And me? I've absolutely loved every single minute of this journey with you. It's been such an honor to be part of your transformation.
Vey, that's such a beautiful way to put it. And you know what I'm curious about? I'd love to know where everyone is joining us from today. Are you in India, Vietnam, Japan, Brazil, Turkey, or somewhere completely different? The fact that we're all connected through English, sharing this moment together despite being thousands of miles apart, that's the magic of language learning right there. Oh, and here's something fun. What's your first language? Because someday, I'd love to visit your country, and maybe you could teach me a few words in your native tongue. Wouldn't that be amazing?
That would be absolutely wonderful, James. And speaking of this journey, let me be honest with you, lovely learners. I know that in the beginning, this shadowing practice might have felt slow, maybe even frustrating at times. Your brain was working so hard to process new sounds, new rhythms, new patterns. But here's what I want you to understand. Every single moment of that struggle was your brain literally rewiring itself for English success. The frustration you felt? That was growth happening in real time. The moments when you wanted to quit? Those were exactly when you were building the mental muscles of a champion.
That's so true, Vey. And I want everyone to really pause and think about this. Fluency isn't something that happens overnight. It's something that happens one day at a time, one practice session at a time, one brave moment of speaking out loud at a time. And you've been doing exactly that. Have you noticed any changes in yourself over these 5 days? Maybe you're less afraid to speak. Maybe English sounds a bit more familiar. Maybe you're starting to think, hey, I actually can do this. Those subtle shifts are the foundation of everything that's coming next in your English journey.
Oh, James, that gives me goosebumps. And you know what's so beautiful? This is just the beginning for everyone. But before we dive into today's final practice session, I need everyone to make me a promise. Promise me that you won't stop here. Promise me that this challenge isn't the end of your English journey, but the beginning of a lifelong love affair with speaking confidently. Can you promise me that? Because the momentum you've built over these 5 days is pure gold. Don't let it fade away.
Such an important promise, V. And here's what I want everyone to understand about today's session. We're practicing 15 powerful sentences together, but these aren't just pronunciation exercises. These are victory statements, confidence builders, future-shaping affirmations. Every word you speak today is a celebration of how far you've come and a declaration of where you're going next.
I love that energy, James. Now, beautiful learners, get comfortable for this special finale session. Maybe grab your favorite drink, bring your notebook if you like taking notes, and really settle in to savor this moment. Also, if you missed any of the previous 4 days, please don't skip them. Each day built on the last, creating the strong foundation you're standing on right now. The links are in our description, and trust me, going back and practicing will only make you stronger.
Perfect setup, Vey. Now, let's make this final session absolutely unforgettable. Remember, there's no pressure here, just pure celebration and growth. Listen carefully to our voices, match our energy and confidence, and most importantly, speak with pride. You've earned every single word you're about to practice. Ready to celebrate your incredible achievement through the power of your voice?
I am so ready, James. Let's start with some deeply empowering statements about growth and progress. I am constantly learning, evolving, and developing greater confidence with each passing day. Feel that sense of continuous growth in my voice. Now repeat with that same energy of expansion. I am constantly learning, evolving, and developing greater confidence with each passing day. Magnificent! Every small action I take is bringing me steadily closer to complete fluency. Notice that sense of inevitable progress. Your turn to shadow. Every small action I take is bringing me steadily closer to complete fluency. Absolutely beautiful.
Outstanding work, everyone. Now, let's try some sentences about self-acceptance and persistence. I don't demand perfection from myself. I celebrate consistency and continuous improvement. Hear that compassionate strength. Shadow this with self-love. I don't demand perfection from myself. I celebrate consistency and continuous improvement. Wonderful. My voice has genuine value and I choose to use it with increasing confidence. Feel that sense of self-worth and courage. Your turn to practice. My voice has genuine value and I choose to use it with increasing confidence. Amazing! The transformation in your voices is absolutely remarkable.
James, I can feel the confidence radiating through every word. Let's practice some statements about the learning journey itself. Speaking English is an adventure, and I'm walking the exact right path for me. Notice that sense of trust and purpose. Repeat with conviction. Speaking English is an adventure, and I'm walking the exact right path for me. Perfect. Each mistake I make is simply evidence that I'm courageously pushing beyond my comfort zone. Feel that reframe from shame to pride. Shadow with courage. Each mistake I make is simply evidence that I'm courageously pushing beyond my comfort zone. Outstanding work!
This is absolutely magical, Vey. Let's try some sentences about commitment and self-care. I show up for my English practice even on challenging days because I'm investing in my future. Hear that dedication and self-respect. Your turn to embody this. I show up for my English practice even on challenging days because I'm investing in my future. Brilliant. Every single time I speak out loud, I'm becoming more articulate and liberated. Feel that sense of freedom and expression. Shadow with joy. Every single time I speak out loud, I'm becoming more articulate and liberated. Exceptional. You're not just practicing words, you're practicing being confident.
James, this finale is everything I dreamed it would be. Let's finish with some incredibly powerful statements about dreams and possibilities. I am courageously pursuing my goals even when fear tries to hold me back. Feel that warrior spirit. Repeat with bravery. I am courageously pursuing my goals even when fear tries to hold me back. Amazing. My English skills improve dramatically every single time I commit to practice. Notice that sense of inevitable success. Your turn. My English skills improve dramatically every single time I commit to practice. Fantastic! And for our final, most important sentence, English isn't just a language for me. It's the key that unlocks all my dreams and aspirations. Shadow this with your whole heart. English isn't just a language for me. It's the key that unlocks all my dreams and aspirations. Absolutely perfect.
Wow, Vey, I am so incredibly moved by what just happened here. Everyone who practiced those 15 sentences with us didn't just complete a challenge, they just declared their commitment to a lifetime of English confidence and success. You've practiced for 5 consecutive days. You've built unshakable habits, and you've proven that you have what it takes to achieve anything.
James, I'm practically crying with pride right now. Beautiful champions. Take the deepest breath and smile the biggest smile because you just accomplished something absolutely extraordinary. You completed a 5-day English challenge. This isn't just about language learning. This is about discovering that you're capable of committing to yourself and following through. Remember, this is just the beginning of your incredible journey. Keep practicing daily, even for 5 minutes. Come back to these sessions anytime you need encouragement. And please let us know in the comments if you'd like more shadowing videos. We love creating content for amazing learners like you. Until next time, keep shining, keep speaking, and always remember, you can do absolutely anything you set your mind to.